5 million people have been affected due to severe floods in Assam. As many as 28 districts out of 33 districts in Assam have been hit hard due to heavy deluge in the state. The water level in Brahmaputra river has crossed the danger level mark, which has affected the life many in the state. The situation in Assam remains grim as most of the areas in the state have been filled with stagnant water and may take many days to clear. Stagnant water is becoming a menace which may result in other epidemics while the state is already combating the novel coronavirus, sources said. India Today TV visited Bokakhat town in Golaghat district of Assam to bring a ground report on the footprints of devastation brought by Brahmaputra river due to heavy deluge in the town. In Tamoli Patthar village of Bokakhat, an embankment made near the village to protect it from flood water was broken due to the heavy flow of Brahmaputra water. The embankment breach has affected multiple places and people have been forced to wade through water. Flood water broke the embankment which has affected many villages. Locals have been demanding to raise the height of the embankment. The administration is working on it, an official from the Water Resource Department Nayan Kumar told India Today. This year, the floods have reminded us of a similar situation which was caused due to excessive water flow in the Brahmaputra river in 1988. The situation was so grim that most of us had to take shelter on the embankment. Water has mostly receded, but the stagnant water is now another threat which may bring diseases like encephalitis. Local resident Surendra Kumar of the same village told India Today. A girl from the same village also spoke to India Today TV on the grim situation. This village is located where the territory of Kaziranga Reserve Forest ends. The highland made inside the reserve forest is very much visible from the village embankment. Barnali Sakia, the girl, said that due to flood water many wild animals like tigers, rhinos and wild elephants have often entered the village, which is a grave threat to people who live here. Also, there is a water crisis in the village as most of the tube wells have now submerged. The water level in Lower Assam and particularly West Assam is still high, according to sources. The NDRF team in many pockets of Barpeta district is carrying out evacuation and relief operations. Once the water level goes down, stagnant water will be another challenge for the locals and administration to deal with, sources added. Local activist Pranav said, stagnant water, due to deluge, will create situations like epidemics and villages are already under lockdown due to flood water. There is hardly any health infrastructure available close to the village. No proper help has been provided to us, Pranav said.